At S-5, we believe solar energy can transform lives, and this project is a perfect example. Bringing electricity to remote communities like Huarcaya is about more than just an installation. It's about providing this community with light, technology, and new opportunities for a brighter future.
I went out there at more than 4,500 meters in altitude, in the cold and the snow. But it was a great experience. It always is a good experience to get out into the field and see the impact that these projects have on communities, and the feeling that you get afterwards is really one of a kind.
So the first time that we hear about Light Up the World was through our project engineer actually that met Aaron the first time in one of the networking events, and he was mentioned to him about these challenges that they have in the project in Peru, 14,000 feet high, and he mentioned about our railless solutions that we have for metal roofing. So that was the first approach that we have with this organization.
It was our first time using the S-5 attachments. We were able to install it really quickly. The solution was really easy to put together. S-5 just guided us on how to set a string line and how to make sure that everything is aligned correctly. We had to install 18 modules. It helped expedite our project and made sure that we were able to complete it on time.
This experience has been such a great opportunity where I was able to get out of my comfort zone, do something that I never imagined myself doing with no prior experience, and just like challenging myself to get out of that bubble and just make a positive impact in Peruvian communities. It was overall a great experience, and I honestly want to collaborate with Light Up the World or S-5 again in the future to continue making this positive impact on undeserved and vulnerable communities, giving them solar energy so they can connect with the outer world, with the global education and the global opportunities outside of their village, their town, or their country. And I feel fortunate enough that I was able to make such a huge difference in the life of over 124 students.
The number one impact that this will have on a rural community is just having light at night. I know it seems perhaps something really basic, and for sure we take it for granted that just at night the lights just come on, we just flick on a switch and we just have access to energy. And that's not the case for communities in rural Peru. That's a luxury to be able to have energy and light. So when the sun goes down at about 6 o'clock every day, it's complete darkness in rural communities. So the first and most notable impact is just being able to see past 7 o'clock in the evening. And then after that, something that we believe in at Light Up the World is to not just give them access to the very basic necessities that energy provides us, such as light, but also give them access to information. There's educational uses and health benefits as well to having access to energy.